We're going to cut away some energy cords here today. Energy cords are simply just that, cords of energy between two people. It can happen very often between loved ones and family members and friends and previous partners, and they often start with these beautiful intentions of, I see you're not feeling well today, take a little bit of my energy. And that can lead to depletion. That can lead to dependency between two people and two energies. And we really need to stay sovereign in our own energy. And this beautiful cleansing rain is really going to help us do that today. So, I'm going to set that intention now. It is my intention to help you reclaim your sovereignty in your energy by removing any energetic cords that are preventing that. Thank you, so it is. Serete so shita. Yes, so shike se so she. In the way that I was seeing this through my hands, even before we begin, we were just sort of prepping the energy. This sort of beautiful electric blue energy. Prepping the body, especially I felt a deep pain in my heart chakra. Not surface level, but very deep. And it's not that we don't love these individuals when we remove the cords. In fact, it's an expression of unconditional love. That I'm going to trust that the universe will provide that energy unconditionally for both you and me, and that healing. And we don't need to feed off of each other's energy. I love you so much that I want you to find your own energetic way. Little black kyanite, really perfect for cutting energetic cords. And as I'm cutting these cords, just like this, I call forward whichever chakra or energy center within your body that needs this healing, whether it's one or multiple. For me this morning was very much in my solar plexus. And sometimes there needs to be like a little digging out, because we can cut that cord, but we have to sort of pull out the root. Really digging in, pulling that out. And I call upon Archangel Michael to bring this cleansing sword into our space. And I call upon Ascended Master Merlin to bring the sword of truth, Excalibur, into the space to cut away and heal these cords. And I'm getting a little emotional as I speak of Excalibur. These etheric cords that may have been here lifetimes. Cutting those away today too. These deep seated cords. Pulling them out. Cutting them away. Removing them. Karedete. Shu. Sashte pata. So a lot of those etheric chords just cleared with that kind of snap. That was Ascended Master Merlin coming in with Excalibur and just cutting those deep chords. Chords that may have been there for a very, very, very long time. So I'll just continue to cut out the energetic residue because I feel like those chords are well gone now. But the residue may remain. The rain getting a little bit more intense, bringing in that purification quality. Continuing with that blue ray, like this, only maybe just a little lighter and a little bit more electric, and I'm starting to see this blue bubble of light form around these spaces that were previously entangled with these cords. And this healing bubble of light just starts to form and send beautiful blue healing vibrations, cleansing vibrations to these spaces that we're working on. Energy picking up a little bit here. I hope you can feel that. And I want you to state an affirmation now. Really speaking your energetic boundaries moving forward. I will not take on anybody else's energy as my own. I will remain sovereign in my energy always. I'm just calling that, speaking that out into the universe. I will remain sovereign in my energy always from here on out. Knowing that this is love. This is unconditional love for me and you to stay sovereign in our energies. And with that affirmation, our work here is closed. And I thank you so much for being here with me on this journey and for joining me out here in the rain and in the elements, and for you really stepping into your power and showing up for yourselves today, saying, I'm ready to be sovereign in my energy and to have that be an affirmation that just blows from your heart. It's like I'm seeing that, like the little dandelions that are out now. I'm just wishing on that. Never too old, never too old to wish on that. And unfortunately, it's raining, so I can't go get one, but if you have those in your area, make your manifestations, make your wishes on those little dandelions, just like a child would. Your words are magic. Doing just a little less fine tuning on that heart chakra. And this doesn't necessarily have to do with the energetic chords, but the remembrance that your words are magic, and to never lose that little childlike moment of wishing and believing. Your words are magic. Dear friends, that really completes the session now. And Bella is really dying to come out here, so let's just see if she wants to say hello. Say hello.